Good morning, welcome to another video from Barclay Motor Company of Hopwood, South Birmingham. Just come fresh in part exchange, very nice Land Rover. It's a Range Rover Sport 3 litre TD V6 HSE automatic 4-wheel drive. Only 2 owners from new, only 78,000 miles from new. Had the cam belt replaced at 46,000 miles in 2021. Great service history, 5, 11, 17, 23, 34, 39, 44, 54, 63 and 73,000 miles. Got the tow pack, got the removable tow bar in the boot, £7,595. Black leather, freshly repowder coated 20-inch alloy wheels, running boards, roof bars, roof rails, privacy glass, sat nav, DAB radio, Bluetooth, heated black leather electric seats, rear park sensors, front park sensors. Goodyear Eagle tyre, lots of tread, freshly repowder coated wheel. Falcon tyre on the front, not stone chipped, lovely, lovely, lovely condition. Keyless entry, keyless start. Harman Kardon on the hi-fi, fitted mats, black leather, electric seats, electric steering column, front armrests. Nice car this. We haven't cleaned it, it's just as the gentleman dropped it off. Has got an MOT until it's got a year's MOT. It was only done about 3 weeks ago, or 11 months MOT. Oh, number plate lights fell out. Pop that back in. Okay, so you can open just the tailgate glass to put your bags in, or you can open the whole tailgate. Load covers in there. Spare wheel is an alloy. It is underneath. Had a boot mat in. Keeps the carpet in good condition. It is lovely under there, and as you can see in there is a Land Rover removable tow bar, full toolkit, jack, wheel brace, etc, etc, alloy wheel locking key, the lot. Mud flaps, running boards. Drives really, really well, but it's 2 owners, nice mileage, very good service history. Don't think there's any advisories on the current MOT. Both owners have looked after this car. Folding mirrors, electric mirrors, multifunction steering wheel with voice control. 78,369 miles from new. Very nice. One of the nicest examples I've seen for a long time. £7,595. Had the cam belt replaced. Only 2 owners, only 78,000 miles. Very good service history. Full MOT, or 11 months MOT, or a bit more. Please visit www.bmc-cars.co.uk to see our other vehicles in stock. This video will be hosted on our YouTube channel, Barclay Motor Company 5243. If you head over there, you can watch this video over and over again, along with 2,000 other car videos we produced over the last 10 years. If you subscribe to our YouTube channel, you will get a notification every time we upload a fresh vehicle into our stock. You would then be one of the first people in the country to know we've just had that car into stock. Thank you very much for your time today, and goodbye.